Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to crochet this fish applique. Meanwhile, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. Taken a orange color 4-ply yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook for this project. I begin with a magic ring, chain 3 and then 5 double crochets around the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1 triple crochet around the magic ring. Chain 2, 7 double crochet around the magic ring. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Join with the slip stitch on top of chain 3 and then tighten your magic ring, close it with a knot. You're doing a slip stitch on top of chain 3 and then chain 3, turn your work, do a double crochet on the same stitch and then work 2 double crochet on the next stitch. So altogether we have 4 double crochets for the tail. So this is a very simple fish and a cute applique. You can also add it to the hair clip with the help of a glue gun. So now you can work slip stitch and secure your yarn and then cut off the excess yarn. Now I have taken 2 black color glass beads which I'll be attaching to the applique for the eyes of the fish using a needle and thread. Just stitch them to the applique and then secure it with the knot and cut off the thread. So a beautiful fish applique, a cute and easy one, is now ready. Please try this at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl. Thank you.